We're now looking at our electric boiler today, and we've got a problem on this boiler. You can see the alarm fault flashing there in red. That means it's overheated, and the problem is overheated because there's no pressure in the system. You can see that the pressure gauge is on 0. It's a sealed system, and we're now going to top the system up and put the pressure back to 1.2 bar. Now you can see the pressure going up on the pressure gauge there, and I'm just topping up there with the filling tap with a screwdriver, and that's going to raise up to around about 1.2, and we're going to turn it back off. So you can see that's at 1.2 bar, so that's the correct level. So that's everything's ready to go on that now. So we'll just check the boiler and see if it's working okay. So you can hear all the air in the system just being pushed around because there's been no water in the system or the boiler. We've now turned the boiler back on and just waiting for it to fire up. So now you can see the unit it's full on, it's fully operational, and everything's all good. Thank you for watching. To book an engineer, just visit our website at www.boilerrepair.net today.